Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Sublime Text in Linux, and you can install it in Ubuntu, Linux Mint, MxLinux and any other distribution. Simply go to sublimetext.com and you can see this link, Linux Package Manager Repositories, and you have all the information how you can install Sublime Text in different Linux distribution. You can install it on Ubuntu or Debian based distributions, Arch, CentOS, Fedora and openSUSE. On this system I am using MxLinux, but the same process will also work if you are using Ubuntu or Linux Mint or any other Ubuntu based Linux distribution. So here you can see the information or instructions to install apt using apt package manager. So if I go to start menu and search for Sublime Text, it is not installed here. So let's see how we can do this. MxLinux is an Ubuntu Debian based Linux distribution, so it uses apt package manager to install or uninstall application. Now here we have all the commands, so let's install using the apt package manager. Simply copy this command, go to start menu and search for terminal and launch xfce terminal. Paste this command and hit enter. Type your password. Next you can see the instructions. Ensure apt is set up to work with https sources, so let's copy this command, paste it here and hit enter. Now we can choose a channel from stable or dev, so I would like to go with stable, so simply copy this URL or completed command and paste it here. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste your commands in terminal. And next we need to copy and paste these two commands. And let's copy the second command, paste it here and hit enter. You can see this message. After this operation 34.8 MB of additional disk space will be used. Now you can see Sublime Text has been installed, so we can simply go to start menu and search for Sublime Text, and it has been installed successfully. And now you can see Sublime Text has been installed. Thank you very much for watching this video.